Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary, one word at a time. Today's word is refute. It is pronounced refute and spelt R-E-F-U-T-E. Think ref, like referee, and then ute, U-T-E. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources, from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Refute means to disprove or to show something is false. It's a way to demonstrate that a statement or claim is incorrect or invalid. For example, you could say, the scientist was able to refute the theory with his research. Or, the lawyer was able to refute the witness's testimony. The word refute comes from the Latin word refutare, which means to beat back. If you refute something, you are denying or rejecting it, beating back the idea that it's true. See the connection? In the book, The Berenstain Bears and the Truth, Sister Bear refutes her brother's claims about a missing piece of a puzzle. Throughout the story, she stands firm in telling the truth, despite her brother's insistence on blaming her for the missing piece. She refutes this and is eventually proven to be telling the truth. Synonyms for refute are disprove, discredit, reject, and contradict. Antonyms for refute include support, validate, and affirm. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today. Refute. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.